Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be exploring the world of kitchen vocabulary. Whether you're a beginner cook or just looking to expand your culinary knowledge, knowing the names of common kitchen objects is essential. So, let's dive right in. First up, we have the cutting board. Cutting board. It's a flat surface used for chopping and slicing ingredients. A good cutting board is usually made of wood or plastic and helps protect your countertops from knife marks. Next, we have the knife, a staple tool in any kitchen. Knife. Knives come in various shapes and sizes, each designed for specific tasks like slicing, dicing, or mincing. Always remember to handle them with care and keep them sharp for efficient cutting. Moving on, we have the mixing bowl. Mixing bowl. It's a deep, round container used for combining ingredients. Mixing bowls are commonly made of glass, ceramic, or stainless steel and come in different sizes to accommodate various recipes. Now, let's talk about measuring cups and spoons. Measuring cups and spoons. These tools ensure accurate measurements of ingredients for baking and cooking. Cups measure liquids, spoons measure smaller quantities of dry ingredients. Up next, we have the blender. Blender. This electric appliance is perfect for making smoothies, sauces, or soups. It consists of a container with rotating blades that blend ingredients into a smooth consistency. The oven. Oven. An indispensable appliance in every kitchen. It's used for baking, roasting, and broiling. Ovens come in different types, including gas and electric, each with its own unique features. Refrigerator. It keeps perishable items fresh by maintaining a cold temperature. Remember to organize your fridge properly to prevent cross-contamination. Another essential kitchen object is the stovetop. Stovetop. It's where you cook your food using heat from gas burners or electric coils. The stovetop allows you to control the temperature for frying, boiling, or simmering. Speaking of boiling and simmering, we can't forget the pot. Pot. Pots come in various sizes and materials like stainless steel or non-stick. They're used for cooking soups, stews, pasta, and more. Lastly, we have the spatula, a versatile tool for flipping, stirring, and serving food. Spatula. Spatulas are usually made of silicone or metal and come in different shapes to suit different cooking needs. And that's a wrap on our 10 common kitchen objects vocabulary. Thank you all for watching this video on common kitchenware vocabulary. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. But guess what? We're not done yet. There's still one more part to this series where we'll dive even deeper into the world of kitchen tools and equipment. So, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the final installment. Until then, keep practicing your English, keep exploring new vocabulary, and I'll see you in the next video.